Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign PDF in iLovePDF. To begin, open the Workspace page in your browser. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where you'll access the available PDF tools and manage the files you want to work with. At the top of the workspace, click on Sign. This will open the signing tool, which is the area used to add a signature to your PDF document. If you don't immediately see it, look across the top navigation bar until you find the option. Next, you'll need to bring in the PDF you want to sign. Click on Upload New Files if the document is stored on your computer or device. This option is useful when you're working with a file you haven't opened in the workspace before. After clicking it, you can browse your folders and select the document you want to use. If your file was already used recently, you can instead click on Choose from Recent Files. This can save time and makes the process quicker, especially if you've already uploaded the document before. When the Recent Files list appears, select the sample file you want to sign. Once selected, the document will open in the editor so you can move on to creating your signature. Now you're ready to add the signature itself. One option is to draw a sample signature directly in the signing area. This is helpful if you want something that looks more like a handwritten signature. Try to draw it clearly and smoothly so it appears neat when placed on the PDF. You also have another option. Click and select Image Sign if you already have a saved image of your signature. This works well if you want a consistent signature style across documents. Just choose the image version of your signature and use that instead of drawing it manually. Alternatively, you can click on Type and then type a sample signature. This is the fastest option and can be useful when a typed signature is acceptable for your document. After typing it, the tool will format it into a signature style that you can use on the page. Depending on which method you choose, take a moment to make sure the signature looks the way you want before continuing. A clear and properly selected signature helps your finished PDF look more professional and easier to read. That's the full process for signing a PDF using the signing tool, from opening the workspace to choosing how you want to create your signature.